Royal Play Equipment introduces 50mm Ultra Green Landscape Artificial Grass. Perfect for gardens, backyards, parks, and beyond, this lush greenery brings nature's touch to any space. Who can benefit from this? Homeowners looking for a hassle-free lawn, landscaping contractors seeking durable solutions, property managers aiming for easy maintenance, and many more. The benefits are endless, with its natural appearance, low maintenance demands, and usability in all seasons. Our artificial grass revolutionize outdoor spaces. Specifications include a 50mm pile height, 16,900 density, 6,700 detex, all green color, and a sturdy 4-layer black backing. Transform your landscape effortlessly with Royal Play Equipment's 50mm Ultra Green Landscape Artificial Grass, where nature meets innovation.